Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. It will be a complete beginner friendly video and I try my best to break down a step by step process for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here you can see we are already landed in our Shopify dashboard, and here we have couple of products on our website and we already installed couple of apps over that place. Here you can see, check this out. So if you want to visit our online store, here you can see it. This is the design we did, and we already added couple of products here, as you can see it. So the design is really cool, and now we just want to remove taxes from our product and also the shipping cost from the checkout page. So how we can do it? So in here into the product, we have two products. So I am going to click on of them. Just click over here and just scroll down. So here into the section of the pricing, here we have these options to add the price, as you can see it, and I already add some price over here. So here next to the price you have and sections or element that is charge text on this product. So it means whenever someone purchases this product, they will charge the tax on the similar product, like the charge will be cut. So I don't want to cut the charge from this product, that's why I am going to uncheck this one. Let's click to the save. So now here you can see that our uncheck after the uncheck, the charge tax on this product is disabled. So you just need to do it one by one with every product. So like let's add another product over here, that will be premium membership, and let's add media over that place, then add the price. So here you can see the main thing we are going to show you, that is whenever you will create any of product, you just need to uncheck this one, so it not can be charged the tax from that product. So let's add it. So there is another option so we have, that is really simple. You just need to go to the product and just select one, and then you just need to click over here more actions, or we have the options to bulk edit. Here you can see this is the bulk edit. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, now here you can see there is a product title we have, then we have status, product category, vendor, and many more. So if you want to add this one, just click to the columns and then search for the tax. Here you can see this is the charges tax, and now here you can see that charge taxes are enabled for all of this product. So if you want to disable it, just select and uncheck all of them and save it. So this is the simplest way, and this is the another way. So in this way you can remove taxes from each and every product easily. So here I saw the process is this way. Just click to the columns and select your one. Like if you click the description, it will be enabled on here description. If you disable it, like uncheck it, it will be disabled. This is the simplest one. When you done, just go to the back, and here now go and check this out, and you will find out that it is already been unchecked. So in this way you can remove taxes from your product easily. So now we are going to talk about the shipping. Like whenever any audience purchase this product, they just need to be pay the shipping rate while they are purchasing this product. So if you want to remove the shipping charges, then this is the way we have, that is this one. Just click to the setting, and here you will get couple of options, as you can see it. From that option you just need to be find out an option that calls shipping and delivery. Even you just need to be scroll it down, and into the middle you will find out this one, and here after this one we have tax and duties. Let's talk about this one. Here you can see that our Shopify tax service is available, like active. So if you want to click on manage, then here you can see the view pricing, like this one. So here this is the main thing. If you want to disable it, you are not allowed to do it, but if you want to like do here you can see sales tax is manual sales tax. If you are from the United States, they will charge 0.35% transaction fee when you reach at $100 in global sales. so you can read it if you want to know further more. So now we are going to talk about the shipping. Like if you want, like don't want any shipping charge from your customer, then you just need to be click on to the shipping section. Here you can see this is the shipping section. You just click over here. Once you click over here, here we have couple of two options, that is shipping zone domestic and international. Here, so here you can see this is the international one. We are charging 2,400 taka. So I want to change it. So how I can do it? You just need to be click over here and click to the edit rate. Once you click over here, and here you can see shipping rate. I am going to make it 0. Here I am going to make it 0, and then I will change the name and I will add free shipping as well, and then I will click to the done. And here you can see that our shipping charge is free. There is another method we have. Just click to the save, and then I will click to the shipping and delivery, and here you can see we can create custom profile also. This is another amazing one. So here I will give a name. Profile name will be free shipping, and then you can add your products here. Select displayed items, all of them, then click on this, and then here you can see shop location. So we want to change the location. This location no longer ship the product. New rate for shop location, done. I will select all of them here. Select all of them, Europe. Then similarly I am going to select for the North America. Then similarly I am going to select for Australia, and here you can see that the use flat rate, then shipping rate will be custom, and the custom rate name will be free shipping, and then I will give the price that will be 0 and click to the done. Here the zone name they are asking for, so I am add the free shipping internationally. Now I'm going to click to the done, and now here you can see your free shipping has been done. Here you can see it. Just click to the save, and it has been done. Now you can see that free shipping has been added. So in this way you can create custom profile for you, and you can change your shipping rated, shipping calculated, whatever you want you can change it. This is the simplest way, and the main thing is you just need to be explore it with these features and options. Then you will identify so much opportunity here to make your website further more engaging and more accessible for your audiences. So I hope I give you so much knowledge in this video. I give you two options, like remove the tax and shipping charges, and I try to give you the easiest way to do the thing, and I hope you love this video. If you found out this video was really helpful and knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with a new interesting topic. Thanks for watching.